Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the basics of creating a blog, how to publish your first piece of content. There are a few things you'll need which include a domain, hosting and WordPress. The best way to help you get started with your own blog is to show you live on screen. So the first thing you'll need to do is to find and purchase your domain. I'm going to show you how to buy a domain on GoDaddy, but any other registrar like Namecheap would be fine as well. The first thing you would need to do would be to create an account. I already have one, so I'm not going to do that, but it's very easy to do. So once you have your account, you need to log in and then click GoDaddy at the top here. It's important to know what sort of domain you want, and if you want to use a domain to brand yourself, you'll want to use your actual name. If your name is taken, you could add in your middle name or initial, or maybe add the word blog to the end, but it must have your name, your first name and last name in it. The other sort of domain would be for an information website. Your domain needs to describe what your website is actually about. The domain extension should always be .com, but .org or .net are okay, but always try for .com. So for this purpose, I'm just going to use my name with my middle initial because I already have my own name taken. So I'll just click search. That one's available, so I'll click add to cart. Now just click continue to cart. If you want privacy protection, you can leave it selected. It's up to you, but it is recommended. I wouldn't really click on anything else. So go down the bottom and continue with these options. Then all you need to do is purchase for 1 year. And keep my contact information private would be recommended. You don't have to if you don't want. All you need to do is purchase for 1 year. Mine is in Australian dollars, so yours will probably be cheaper depending where you are. Now just click proceed to checkout. I'm not going to actually do that, but just enter your billing and payment information in there and click place your order and you're done. Right, the next thing you'll need is hosting. I personally use and recommend HostGator. I find that it's easy and they have good support if anything goes wrong. So just go to hostgator.com and then click Get Started. So when you get to this page, I recommend signing up for the baby plan because it has unlimited domains and bandwidth. Just don't get the hatchling plan because you only get a single domain with this one. You could also get the business plan, but if you're just starting out, you probably don't need it. So just click sign up now. Then you just click I already own this domain. Just enter your domain in there. Click your package type. Choose your billing cycle. Give it a username. And then enter in your billing information. You can add anything else you want to it. And then just click checkout. I'm not going to do that because I already have one. Now you'll receive a welcome message with a cPanel login details in it. So make sure to keep these details because you'll need them. Right, now you need to point the domain that you just purchased to the web hosting company. So log into your HostGator control panel by going to yourdomain.com/cpanel. Enter your username and password and click login. Then scroll down to account information and name servers, right down the bottom. Copy the first name server and go back to GoDaddy and find name servers and click change. Then click custom, paste in the name server and repeat with the second name server and click save. Once you've done that, an hour or more to become active, so you may have to wait a while before moving on to the next step. Now you need to install WordPress so that you can build your new blog. So log into cPanel and scroll down to Quick Install and click that. Go down to Install WordPress and click on that. Then go to where it says Install WordPress for free. I'm not going to do it, but in the drop down you'll find your domain. All you do is add an email, add your admin user and blog title and your name, then click WordPress. You should get a message saying your install is complete. If you click View Credentials, you'll see your login details. So you can try logging in, but bear in mind that it may not have populated yet, so you might have to give it some more. So once you log into WordPress, you go straight into your dashboard in your new website. There are many themes and plugins that you can get for WordPress, some free and some paid, but I'm not going to go into that for now. But I'd just like to show you how to post your first piece of content. So once you're in the dashboard, just click Post, Add New. First you'll need to add a title and just make sure it's on visual. Then just type your post in the box. If you wanted to add a picture, just put your cursor where you want to add it and click Add Media. You'll be able to add a picture from there. So to bold the text, all you need to do is highlight it and then click on the bold. You'd also have italics, bullet points or numbered bullet points. You can center it, left align it or right align it. You can click paragraph, make it really big. You can also make it smaller. Just have a play around with it and you'll soon work out how you want your post. When you're happy with the post, all you need to do is come over here and click Publish and you're done. I really hope you enjoyed this training and I hope you can go ahead and get your website started.